Hello everyone, friends and new visitors to our channel, Ian Truelove Quilts for You, and this is Ian Truelove continuing with our tours of your sewing rooms. Today we're going to be enjoying seeing quilter friend Jayne Hudson's sewing room. So Jayne, first of all we're going to read your email and then we're going to look at your photographs and talk about them. Dear Jean, Ian and Maxwell, I truly wish to thank you for making these videos. I started quilting at 65 years of age in 2019 and I found your channel. I love making Dresdens. My favorite video is of you and Maxwell making a collage quilt. And you say also here that you love the Fiskars ruler that Jean suggested, and there it is.
Oh yeah, put that up.
Look at that.
I should be sponsored by Fiskars. I love that ruler.
What an engineering marvel.
Yeah, it's a 6-inch by 24-inch rotary cutter.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I'm using it all the time.
I'll hand it to the director.
Thank you very much. I love my ruler.
Jayne continues, in one of the snaps you will see my beloved dog Morty standing on a similar carpet that you had. I love all of your sewing areas. I am currently making a queen puff quilt, and here are a couple of snaps of my space. Thank you. From Jayne Hudson. So Jean, let's look at some of these lovely photographs.
Look at that one.
Of this exceptional
Look at this
sewing room.
It looks like a sewing. It looks like a quilt store.
Wow, it does. Look at the pegboard.
Yeah, I love that. Her organization with all of her rulers and templates all on the pegboard, which is awesome. Her color wheel, all of her rulers. Yeah, really nice. Really nice. What a good idea. I love a pegboard.
Yep. What's next?
Ah, what she's made. That's sweet.
That looks like one of your tables and creations.
Yeah, actually that's I think that's a placemat from Walmart that she made, or quilted fabric that she made a little handbag of, or a little.
It looks like a little handbag.
Yeah, a little
to me.
tote. That's so sweet. Yeah, and her.
Perhaps a toiletry bag.
Yeah, and her mats, her cutting mats. That's a big table.
That looks like home here.
Wow, it does. Look at that.
So much like one of our sewing rooms with those green mats. Here you have a yellow mat.
I have a
nowadays.
I have a Martelli mat. Yeah.
You got a Martelli.
Yeah, these
okay.
are Alpha perhaps, or Fiskars.
Okay.
The next one is, oh look.
There's us.
There's us
on the TV screen.
That's so cool.
Me looking very smart and official. What was I thinking?
You are looking smart. She caught me mid face.
All
What
right.
a sweet sewing room.
Yes.
What a sweet little sewing room. Oh, it's very homey.
So that means that Jayne can sit at her sewing machine table and be looking at that TV screen.
Yeah, seeing us.
Oh yeah.
In all of our glory. No, look at that. Isn't that cool? It's a good picture of you, Ian.
Thank you, Jayne, for taking a good picture of me.
Yeah. Oh, there's the.
That's sweet.
That's
there's
sweet.
the dog Morty.
There's the more. Yeah, and that was the carpet. Do you recognize it?
Yes. In our family home, where we brought up our 10 kids, in our beautiful finished basement, we had that carpet.
That leopard carpet.
Leopard skin carpet.
Very subtle.
Yes.
I wanted that so bad.
That was a very big leopard down there.
It was beautiful.
A lovely carpet.
Dear Morty on that carpet.
I miss that.
I do too.
Thank you. Thank you, Jayne, for that as well.
It's lovely.
Bringing back memories. Happy memories. And what's this, Jayne?
This is like a workstation with these lovely, shallow but very useful plastic storage containers for like blocks and projects.
Yes.
Very nice. Yes, very nice. There's so much to look at. I love this. This is so cool. And that's her television above.
Ah, yes, I see it now.
Very nice. That's across from her sewing station.
Gotcha.
And then this must be behind because there's another storage unit, shelving, with her works in progress. You see that?
Yes.
Lovely, sweet quilt. That's lovely. Oh, and a ladder with all of her, some quilts there hanging. Nice for display.
This is a real creation
It is,
station.
isn't it? It really is. This is a nice room.
What a sewing room.
It is lovely.
Yeah, it's great to see these photographs,
Oh,
Jane. Thank you so much.
There you are again, Ian.
Huh?
She cut me out.
Ah,
Jane, you just want to see Ian. That's lovely.
thank you, fan.
Yeah. So that's her sewing machine there. That's a nice setup, isn't it, Ian?
Wow.
And then looks like she has a curtain of a quilt top. You see that?
Yes.
Yeah, that's
over
sweet.
a window.
Yeah, that's lovely.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And I think that's. Oh no! Here's the last one. There's what I always say. We love you. We love to see each other's sewing spaces on the television screen there. Yeah, very nice. It looks a little bit taller. If I'm not, or do you think that looks taller? The quilting station, or does it look like it's not counter height, chair height?
I think it's chair.
You think it's chair height? Yeah, it's really nice.
Yep.
Very nice. That's the last one of Jaynes.
Very good.
Yeah.
Well, Jane, thank you so much for entertaining us today, and anybody else who wants to send in a nice description, stories about your quilting life, and photographs, please don't forget to email to truelovequiltsforyou@gmail.com. Now I've got a prompter.
Yeah, you got that right.
Put it up on the shelf here so that I don't get it wrong this time. Anyway, we love having you. Keep sending, and thank you so much from Ian at Ian Truelove Quilts for You. Bye for now.